In the depths of our being, beyond the noise of the world, lies a profound truth. This truth whispers of unity, of boundless love, and of a connection to something far greater than ourselves. This, my friends, is the essence of Christ consciousness. It's not about religion, but about recognizing the divine spark within each of us. It's about understanding that we are all interconnected, part of a universal tapestry of love and light. Christ consciousness invites us to awaken to our true nature. It calls us to shed the layers of ego and fear that separate us from this divine truth. This awakening is a journey of the heart, a pilgrimage to the core of our being where love, compassion, and wisdom reside. It's a journey that asks us to embrace our shared humanity and recognize the divine in everyone we meet. Imagine a world where love reigns supreme, where compassion guides our actions, and where peace is not just a dream, but a lived reality. This is the promise of Christ consciousness. It is the potential within each of us to create a world that reflects the beauty and harmony of our true nature. As we embark on this journey of awakening, let's remember that we are not alone. We are guided by the light within and supported by a universe that conspires to help us realize our full potential. The path may have its challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. Science, in its relentless pursuit of understanding the universe, is beginning to uncover the extraordinary potential that lies dormant within us. Quantum physics, with its exploration of the subatomic world, reveals a reality where particles are interconnected and consciousness plays a fundamental role. This interconnectedness resonates with the principles of Christ consciousness, suggesting that we are not isolated beings, but part of a vast, interconnected web of energy and consciousness. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change and adapt throughout our lives, offers further evidence of our transformative potential. Through practices like meditation, mindfulness, and acts of kindness, we can rewire our brains, fostering qualities such as compassion, empathy, and forgiveness. These qualities are not merely abstract ideals, but are rooted in the very structure of our brains, demonstrating the tangible impact of embracing Christ consciousness. Furthermore, studies on the effects of meditation and prayer on the body reveal a profound connection between our spiritual practices and our physical well-being. These practices have been shown to reduce stress, boost the immune system, and even promote cellular regeneration. This suggests that aligning ourselves with the principles of Christ consciousness, love, compassion, and forgiveness can have a transformative impact on our overall health and vitality. Throughout history, luminous beings have graced our planet, embodying the essence of Christ consciousness. Through their lives of service, compassion, and love, they demonstrated the transformative power of this elevated state. They serve as beacons of hope, reminding us of our divine potential. Jesus of Nazareth's teachings of love, forgiveness, and unity continue to inspire millions. He showed the power of love to heal and transform. Gandhi's commitment to nonviolence exemplified love in action. He created lasting change through compassion and understanding. Mother Teresa's selfless service alleviated suffering and spread love. Her compassion stands as a testament to Christ consciousness. These individuals remind us that Christ consciousness is a living reality. The journey towards Christ consciousness is not a distant aspiration, but a tangible path we can all embark on. It begins with small conscious choices, with a commitment to cultivate the qualities that reflect this elevated state of being. By integrating these practices into our daily lives, we gradually awaken the divine within and become beacons of love and compassion in the world. Cultivating mindfulness is paramount. It involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, observing our thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. This practice allows us to become more aware of our ego-driven patterns and make conscious choices that align with our higher selves. Practicing forgiveness is another cornerstone of this journey. It involves releasing resentment and anger, choosing to see the divine spark in those who have hurt us. Forgiveness is not a sign of weakness, but an act of courage that liberates us from the chains of the past, allowing us to move forward with love and compassion. Extending kindness to ourselves and others is vital. It means treating ourselves with the same love and compassion we would offer a loved one, recognizing that we are all deserving of kindness and understanding. Acts of kindness, no matter how small, have a ripple effect, creating a more compassionate and loving world.